Going to pick up smaller here, right here, and I'm gonna place this about 60 or 50%. Okay, and make sure this is blended where you want to be ombre, you want to be blended thin. All right, so I hope we catch everybody comment. No, is this a TikTok? Hey TikTok, thanks so much. Hello TikTok fan, thank you. So I'm going to pick the number is 1, baby pink. Place it right above where is your neon green. Okay, and using the belly of the Bristol and blend it. Pick up another bead. We are just gonna work closer on the cuticles area. So for a lot of us, or a lot of you are like really enjoying and so used to with the ombre, you can definitely do it with 1 bead, no problem at all. There's thousands of different way to do is ombre acrylic. You know what? This one looks good with the neon glitter as well. Hope everyone have a fabulous Monday. So I'm gonna add some on. If you're happy with this, we are going to cap it. Also, you can add glitter on this one as well. Cap it first. By using 2 beads, it will give you really ability of doing is really simple, easy ombre without sometimes you like wonders is my ombre is not really blending. It just looks like a 2 colors separate. So do 2 beads and try it out and see how you like it. So I'm gonna pick up the crystal clear, and number 26 crystal clear is absolutely clear with no bubbles and really clear and easy for encapsulate or doing is clear acrylic nails or dipping nails with glitters on others nail art parts that you would like to. So wait, so I am cap the crystal clears right in between baby pinks, and number 10 is neon green, and taper it in the centers, and then we're gonna let it set. Okay,